Good morning. Today is Wednesday, April 8th, and today is Emoji Day. So if you click on our Flipgrid code for our meeting this morning or just for your Flipgrid morning meeting, you are going to choose an emoji to tell us how you're feeling, and also don't forget to explain why you chose that emoji. Let's look at our day. Today in math, you're going to open up that divisibility folder and you'll have 2 days to complete the activities and assignments that are in this folder. Thanks to everybody that showed up to the live meeting yesterday. It was super successful and I love to see all of you working so hard at division. So divisibility, and you have 2 days to do this. Again, you're going to look in the extended flexible learning under math, and this is under the April 8th through 9th folder. For reading core today, we're going to follow up with the story that you read yesterday. And then what happened, Paul Revere? You're going to read Traitor or Hero. Once you're done reading the passage Traitor or Hero, you're going to answer the questions on viewing the author. And then you're going to take those first 3 questions from viewing the author and use that in your discussion thread to start a discussion thread. Continue working on your real-time journals. Don't forget, and I capitalize all caps this, that you need to upload your personal or your real-time journals to the personal discussion thread. Make sure that you are uploading to that personal discussion thread. For Woods Runner today, you can meet me at 1 o'clock for a live reading. Using that same code that we've been using, the 808-140-271. I'll be there at 1 o'clock today, reading live chapter 3 from Woods Runner. Before that, if you could please complete the assignment that is in week 1, day 3, Wednesday. There is also some other things in that folder. So if you could do that before 1 o'clock, that would be awesome. Otherwise, I'll see you at 1. Social studies, there is not social studies today, but you'll notice that there is an activity 2 for science. If you need, again, to refer back to that website, you can just click here and that'll bring you right to that Discovery Education website, where you will make sure to log in using your same username and password that you use for Schoology. I have my face-to-face schedule posted down below here, so make sure that if you see your name for Wednesday that you join me today. Today I have Cash, Madeline, Tristan, Abby M, Clarabelle, Tenzin, and Selah joining me. So make sure you're there on time and join with, again, that same entry code, that 808-140-271. On our WebEx meeting. Otherwise, don't forget, I am here in my office at 10 o'clock, so from 10 to 10:45 every day, where you can just pop in and ask me a question as needed. Hope everybody has a fabulous day, and I'll hopefully see you guys either at your individual meeting today or live at 1 o'clock. We'll see you later.